In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a link in Microsoft Outlook 365. Adding links to your emails is a simple but powerful way to share websites, documents, or important resources directly within your message. It helps keep your emails clean while giving recipients quick access to the information you want them to see. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook 365 on your computer and create a new email message, or open an existing draft or reply where you want to insert the link. Once the message window is open, move your cursor to the body of the email where you want the link to appear. Next, type the text that you want to turn into a clickable link. This could be a website name, a phrase, or any relevant description. After typing the text, highlight it carefully so it is selected. Now, look at the toolbar at the top of the message window and find the option for inserting a link. This is usually represented by a chain or hyperlink icon. Click on it to open the link Insertion window. In the pop-up box, you will see a field where you can paste or type the URL you want to share. Make sure the link is correct and complete so that it directs users to the right page. Once you have entered the link, confirm your selection to apply it. After that, your selected text will now become a clickable hyperlink inside your email. You can test it by hovering over it to ensure it displays the correct destination address. Using links in Outlook emails is useful for sharing websites, online documents, meeting pages, or any external resources without cluttering your message. It keeps your communication clear, professional, and easy to follow. Before sending your email, take a moment to review the link to make sure it is working properly and leads to the correct destination. This helps avoid broken or incorrect links reaching your recipients. And that's it. You now know how to insert a link in Microsoft Outlook 365 and make your emails more interactive and useful. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell